Your garden's most important workers are often invisible. Worms. These tiny creatures may go unnoticed, but they play a vital role in the health and vitality of your soil, working tirelessly day and night just beneath the surface. These humble creatures are the secret workforce that keeps your soil healthy. Without them, gardens would struggle to thrive, as worms are constantly breaking down organic matter and enriching the earth. As worms tunnel, they aerate the soil and improve drainage, making it easier for roots to breathe and water to reach them. Their movement creates channels that help prevent soil compaction, ensuring that your plants have the best possible environment to grow. Their constant burrowing keeps soil loose and friable. This loose structure allows plant roots to spread out more easily and access the nutrients and moisture they need. Worms recycle decaying matter, turning it into nutrient-rich castings, nature's best fertilizer. These castings are packed with essential minerals and nutrients that plants crave, making them a natural and sustainable way to feed your garden. These castings feed your plants and boost beneficial microbes. The result is healthier, more robust plants that are better able to resist pests and diseases. By binding soil particles, worms create a structure that holds moisture and nutrients. This helps your garden retain water during dry spells and ensures that nutrients stay where your plants can use them. A garden full of worms is more resilient, productive, and easy to manage. With their help, your soil becomes a living, breathing ecosystem that supports abundant growth. So, next time you step into your garden, remember the worms working tirelessly below. Let worms do the heavy lifting beneath your feet and watch your garden flourish like never before. To attract worms, make your garden a safe haven. Avoid constant digging. It destroys worm tunnels and disrupts their ecosystem. Try a no-dig approach plant by making small holes, leaving most soil undisturbed. Skip chemical pesticides and herbicides. They harm worms and their food sources. Embrace organic methods to keep the soil life thriving. Protect soil from temperature extremes with mulch or ground cover, so worms stay active longer. A stable, chemical-free environment lets worms flourish. Once your garden is safe and ready, it's time to feed your worms and help them thrive beneath the surface. Spread kitchen scraps, like veggie peels, coffee grounds, and even crushed eggshells, right on the soil surface. These scraps are packed with nutrients that worms love, and they'll quickly get to work breaking them down. Avoid adding meat, dairy, or oily foods, as these can attract pests and create unpleasant odors in your garden. Compost is worm heaven. Top-dress your beds with finished compost and let the worms mix it in naturally, enriching the soil as they go. Compost tea, made by steeping compost in water, gives both your soil and your worms a powerful nutrient boost, helping plants and microbes flourish. Lay down plain, wet cardboard to attract worms and suppress weeds. The cardboard keeps moisture in and creates a cozy environment for worms to move in. As the cardboard breaks down, it becomes both food and shelter for your underground friends, encouraging them to stay and multiply. Feed the soil with care, and soon your garden will be alive with healthy, happy worms working hard beneath your feet. Worms need shelter from the sun, wind, and heavy rain to survive and thrive in your garden. Without protection, they can dry out or be washed away, making it hard for them to do their important work in the soil. Mulch, like wood chips, straw, leaves, or compost, acts as a natural blanket, keeping soil cool and moist while also protecting worms from harsh weather and predators. Moist soil is vital because worms breathe through their damp skin. If the soil dries out, worms can't breathe and will burrow deeper or leave. Mulch slows evaporation, so you water less often and worms can stay near the surface, where they help break down organic matter and enrich the soil. Water deeply, but not too often. Soggy soil can drown worms, while dry soil drives them away. Aim for consistent moisture. Good drainage is just as important as moisture, ensuring worms have the perfect environment to thrive. As mulch breaks down, it feeds worms and mimics a natural forest floor, creating a healthy, balanced ecosystem. By providing both shelter and food, you help build a thriving worm community that keeps your garden soil rich and alive. Building a worm-rich garden takes patience. Provide food, moisture and shelter, and avoid harmful practices. Think of it as a partnership. You nurture the soil, worms do the hard work. Over time, your soil becomes darker, richer, and easier to work. Healthy worms mean healthy plants and effortless gardening. Embrace gentle, organic techniques and let worms transform your garden. With patience, you'll see the rewards: beautiful plants and living soil.